In this video I'm going to show you how to download Wreckfest 2 on your PC. Finding the right games can be tough, Steam games can get really expensive, especially the latest ones. Plus, downloading from random websites can lead to viruses, and nobody wants that. But don't worry, in this video I will show you how to find great games without overspending and keeping your PC safe. Before we start, I would like to ask you to subscribe and like this video. This will help to grow our channel, and once you are there we are going to locate this game on Steam before we can proceed to any other steps. So go to Steam and search for this game, Wreckfest 2, and there you will find it. Select it. I will scroll a little bit down, and as you can see it is currently €23.99 on Steam, so that is quite expensive for just a game. What we will do now is basically go to the video description down here, and there you will find a link to this website. You will be redirected to this website, and then we will type in Wreckfest 2 and then search. What we will do now is basically go to the left, go to games, and once you are there, then we will release, or we will sort by lowest price first. And after that you will need to look for a Steam account or a Steam key. And as you can see, I found one here for €18.42. So that is already a lot cheaper than the game on Steam itself. And make sure that the game can be activated in your country, then it's green over here. So once you have decided to buy this game, you will receive a confirmation mail with all the steps to activate this key in Steam, and you can download it from Steam, but much cheaper. I hope these tips will help you find great games without overspending and keep your PC safe. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!